Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are working with data in Stata and you have numeric variables with value labels, you might have run into the challenges of converting this numeric variable to string while preserving those variable labels. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to do that using a simple Stata script. Let's say we have a numeric variable called impose. You can see here each number corresponded to a level. For example, 1 might mean yes, 2 might mean no, and so forth. So you can see here there are a lot of value labels with value 1, 2, 3 and so forth. Our goal is to convert this numeric variable into a string variable while keeping this label intact. The first step is to create an empty string variable that will eventually hold the value labels. We do this with the gen command like this. Here you can see. This command creates a new variable called star_var with an empty string for each observation. Next, we need to loop over each unique value in our impose variable and assign the corresponding value label to our new string variable. Here is how you do it. You can see here the codes that I have used. Let's break down these codes. The levelsof command identifies all the unique values in impose and stores them in a local macro called levels. Then we use a foreach loop to go through each value, extract this level using local level impose, and replace the empty string in start_variable with the corresponding label. You can see here this codes. After running this code, your new string variable star_var will be filled with the labels that correspond to the original numeric values. If you no longer need the numeric variable that we already have, you can simply drop it with this command, drop impose, and that is it. You have successfully converted a numeric variable with value label into string variable like us. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question for topics you would like to see covered, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.